Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you a really easy recipe for cooking frozen churros in the air fryer. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. So my pain point with churros is that I'm allergic to nuts. I hate nuts. And why is it that everywhere that sells frozen churros does so in a hazelnut sauce or praline or another irritating thing that's got nuts in it? It really annoys me. So I've been waiting many years to get some more churros to cook in the air fryer and to do a video to show you. And I think it was Iceland, but I've been into so many different supermarkets lately that had these ones. And these ones are amazing. And these, you've got your churros in there, frozen ones ready to go in the air fryer. You've got chocolate sauce, no nuts. And you've also got some cinnamon sugar that you can toss your churros in once they are cooked. And churros, if you've not done them in the air fryer before, then you must, because the air fryer does a fantastic job of crisping things. And any food that you would naturally deep fry is fantastic for the air fryer. So churros, donuts, any of that, it's naturally meant for the deep fat fryers. So of course you can easily cook them in the air fryer. Get into your box and I can show you what you get. So you've got a big packet of churros, you've got your coconut sugar, and you've got your chocolate sauce. So we're going to start now by putting the churros in the air fryer. I'm just grabbing a pair of scissors for this. And then put in as many will naturally fit. And the great thing about churros is what you could do is you could be out at a festival or something, have loads of spare churros, and you can load them into the freezer and then you can reheat them from frozen, because that's technically what you're doing here, because these churros are already cooked and they just need the air fryer to make them crispy and obviously heat them through. And then put them in, and you're looking for 180 Celsius. That's 360 Fahrenheit. And then a cook time of just 4 minutes. And we've beeped. So let's check on those churros, shall we? And wow, don't they look absolutely fabulous. Now, I'm going to make a confession. The first time I cooked frozen churros in the air fryer, I thought they'd need just as long as quite a lot of my chicken recipes, my little chicken pieces and that, and I ended up overcooking them. So now I'm very particular when it comes to cooking churros. So a good spray with some extra virgin olive oil, and then of course we want to serve them with our gorgeous chocolate sauce. But if you listen, it's frozen solid. So what we're going to do now, which I do with a lot of air fryer frozen food that comes with sauce, is I'm just going to make a little gap in the corner, and then whilst the churros finish cooking, what's going to happen is that the chocolate sauce is going to get defrosted, and then it's ready straight away for dipping your churros into. And it saves having to defrost it or having to put it in the microwave and such like. Then churros back in. And you're looking for a temperature now of 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit. And we're going all the way down to 2 minutes and then press start. we've beeped. There you have it. There's your perfectly cooked, reheated churros in the air fryer, and now they are perfect for serving. Now, I absolutely love cinnamon sugar. The hubby absolutely hates it. So it's totally up to you whether or not you use the cinnamon sugar or not. This is the cinnamon sugar we've got. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 plates. I'm going to do one where the hubby can enjoy some and some more for myself. So that's one of the sets there. So grab yourself some cinnamon. And what you can also do with this is if it's say pumpkin season, you could actually do pumpkin spice instead with your churros. So those are mine. And then that's another portion for hubby. And then we've still got our pot of chocolate sauce to share. So then we can just open this up. Careful because it can be very hot. And then you've got your warm chocolate sauce to go with your churros. That's it without the cinnamon, or that's it with the cinnamon, depending on how you like your churros. So I've allowed them to cool down a little bit so that I will not burn my tongue off. And then of course a good dipping in the chocolate sauce. Doesn't that chocolate sauce look yummy? They are so, so good. And when I said to Sophia that we were doing churros, she was so excited for them. So am I allowed to eat them all, or should I take some home for Sophia? Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.